my color shifting of this lens that I was super happy, but a little bit not so satisfied. What happened? I have inside DaVinci my two 3D LUTs. Those were distorting my image because they are influencing, obviously, the one for the viewer, the other for the output of the I/O device. It was against me, but I was just thinking, what could be such a distortion of the color that it's not convincing. And I am announcing I have completed this project, and it is just enough to reset the settings about the LUTs, but this is what those tweakings everywhere fragmented is provoking, that it's constantly something is losing its trace. Now the viewer is perfect, the flares is perfect, the color profile is absolutely the same. Success, absolutely success. Super happy.